In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify not letting me play songs. We will walk through a few quick checks that reset your account connection and clear out any problem data so your music can start playing again. First, open your browser and search for Spotify. Type Spotify into the search bar and hit enter. You should see the official Spotify website appear near the top of the results, with the familiar green logo and the word Spotify next to it. If you see several results, the correct one will usually say Spotify Web Player or Spotify Music for everyone under the main link. Take a second to confirm that logo so you know you are heading to the real site and not an ad or a copycat page. Once the results load, click on the correct Spotify link and sign in. When the page opens, look for the login button, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click that, then enter your account details and confirm. After you sign in, you should see your Spotify home view with sections like Recently Played, Made for You, or your playlists in a sidebar. If the wrong account opens, such as a new empty account, sign out and log back in with the account that has your playlists, since using the wrong account can also make it look like nothing will play. Now click on the profile icon and click Settings. Your profile icon is usually in the top right corner, often a small circle with your picture or initials. Click it once to open a small menu. In that menu, you will see an option named Settings. Click Settings and you will move to a page with several sections like Account, Privacy, and Security, and similar options for how your account behaves and where it can be used. From there, scroll to the bottom and click Sign Out Everywhere. Log back in on your primary device. When you scroll all the way down, you will find the Sign Out Everywhere button. Click it once and wait a moment. This disconnects your Spotify account from all devices at the same time, which clears stuck sessions that can stop songs from playing. After that completes, open Spotify again on the main device you use, such as your phone or computer, and log back in. You might notice other devices asking you to sign in again, which confirms the reset worked. Overloaded temporary data files can block the app from fetching new tracks. Open Spotify desktop app. Make sure you open the official desktop app on your computer, not the browser version this time. When it opens, you should see the usual layout with Home, Search, and your library on the left and your playlists and album art in the center. If you had it open already, closing and reopening it can help the next steps apply cleanly. Next up, click Help in the top menu bar. On Windows, the menu bar is at the top of the Spotify window, while on Mac it is at the very top of the screen. Look for the word Help among items like File and Edit and click it once. A small drop-down menu will appear beneath Help with several support-related options. From that Help menu, select Troubleshooting and click Reset App Data and Restart. After you click Troubleshooting, a new window or panel opens with tools to fix issues inside the app. Find the option called Reset App Data and Restart and click it. Spotify will close, clear its local cache and temporary files, and then reopen by itself. When it comes back, try playing a song again, and you should notice tracks start loading and playing normally without errors. You have now signed out everywhere, logged back into your main account, and reset the Spotify app data so songs can play again. If this helped you get your music working, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple fixes.